How to delete order history in Amazon app. So if you want to delete your order history, then just watch this video. This works both on your Amazon application or on your website. So just open up your browser or go with your application. Go with www.amazon.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Go with sign in, which will be in top right, and sign into your account. So let me tell you that there is actually no straightforward process, or there is no way that you could delete an order history of your Amazon order in your application or in your browser. So what you could do for this one is archive the order. You'll just need simply go ahead onto your orders, which will be in the top right. Click on returns and orders, and then go with your orders. And here you will have all of your orders, right? So in my case, I don't have any order right here. But if you have an order, then you just need to simply go and select the order or find the order or the item that you would like to archive, and then select archive order. Doing this will remove your order from the default order history view. If you need to find it again, then you can still view it in your View Archived Orders section. By doing this, you'll be able to remove the order from your order history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.